How to activate chat hits in Messenger on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Messenger app. You will land to the chat section. Now at the top left corner you will find 3 bars, click on it. Click on the settings icon. Scroll down, go to the option notification and sounds, open it. You will land to the notification and sounds page. Make sure you have toggle off for this option of do not disturb. Toggle on for this option of show previews. Go to this option text tone, open it. Now from here you can select any of the notification sound. Once you do that, close this. Now open your settings app. Scroll down, find the app Messenger. Once you find it, open it. Head towards the option of notifications, open it. Check in for this option of lock screen, notification center and banners. Likewise, toggle on for these options, sounds and badges. Open this option, show previews. Set it to always. Once you customize all these settings, you will be good to go. So this is how you can activate chat hits in Messenger on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.